Good morning. I will now be showing the full view of the artificial grass. This is now the full view of the artificial grass. This is now the full view of the artificial grass fronting the house. It's the full view of the artificial grass. This is now the full view of the artificial grass, including all the improvements that I have done for the past 2 weeks. Full view of the artificial grass. This is the full view of the artificial grass. Full view of the artificial grass. This artificial grass was done by do-it-yourself, so it takes a lot of time to do this one. You prepare the lawn, buy your materials, perform the operation. Okay, intelligently, because without doing intelligently, you cannot install this artificial grass correctly. So this is the left side of the driveway. That's the driveway, that's our garage. And that's the front of the house. Actually, that's the main lawn. Okay, that's the main lawn as seen from a 45-degree angle from the street. And that's the tree. That's our driveway. Left lawn going to the driveway. That's our driveway. Front lawn. That's the one on the right of the driveway. And the last part of the lawn is actually the one going inside. That's under the tree. Okay. I trimmed the plants going inside so it coordinates with the installation of the artificial grass. So this is the artificial grass on the right side going inside, and that's the front of our house. Okay. And that's it. Good morning from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.